You've just become a mom. Your world is filled with late-night feedings, emotional roller coasters, and the overwhelming desire to give your baby the very best. You've got the love. You've got the milk. Now it's time to make your electric breast pump your best ally. Whether you're heading back to work, building a stash, or just need a break, learning to use your pump like a pro can be the game changer you didn't know you needed. Let's break it all down, step by step, with no confusion, no overwhelm, and no second guessing. Part 1. Getting set up. The calm before the pump. Before you even plug that pump in, take a breath. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Your body responds to calm, and your milk flow does too. Stress can reduce letdown, so give yourself permission to slow down. Now, wash your hands thoroughly, because clean hands matter as much as clean parts. Next, inspect your breast pump parts. Make sure everything is clean, dry, and properly assembled. Double check your flanges, those funnel-shaped parts that go on your breasts. The right size is crucial. If it's too small, you'll feel pinching. Too big, and you might not get enough milk. A snug, comfortable fit is key for both comfort and output. Part 2. Assembling your pump like a pro. Now, let's piece it all together. Attach the tubing from the motor to the breast shields. Connect the bottles or milk containers beneath the shields. Secure the flanges to your breasts, centering your nipples right in the middle. Plug in your pump and get ready to begin. Sit back with your shoulders relaxed and your back supported. You're not just milking a cow, you're nourishing your baby and caring for your own body. Part 3. Starting the pump. Gentle first, then go. When you turn on the pump, most models start with a stimulation phase. Short, quick sucks to encourage letdown, mimicking a hungry baby. Let this phase do its work. If your pump doesn't switch automatically, you'll need to manually transition after about 2 minutes, or once your milk starts flowing. Then, enter the expression phase. Longer, deeper pulls that draw out the milk. Adjust the suction to the highest comfortable level, not the highest possible. Pain does not equal progress. Discomfort is assigned to lower the settings. More suction doesn't always mean more milk. Consistency and comfort do. Part 4. During pumping, be kind to yourself. While pumping, don't stare at the bottles, watching every drop fall. That only builds pressure. Instead, distract yourself. Look at a picture of your baby. Listen to soothing music. Or simply close your eyes and breathe. Most sessions take about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're double pumping, you're saving time. And studies even show it helps produce more milk. If you're single pumping, switch sides every 7 to 10 minutes. And remember, some days you'll pump a lot, some days not so much. That doesn't define your worth as a mother. You're doing beautifully. Part 5. After pumping, the golden finish. When the milk slows to just drops or stops altogether, power off your pump. Gently remove the flanges, being mindful of any residual milk. Pour your milk into storage bags or bottles. Label them with the date and time. Store in the fridge or freezer, depending on when you plan to use it. Then, clean every part that touches your milk. Rinse, wash with hot soapy water, and let everything air dry completely. It might feel tedious, but cleanliness protects your baby's tiny immune system. Bonus tips: leveling up your pumping game. Create a pumping schedule. Your body thrives on routine. Use a hands-free pumping bra to multitask and relax. Massage your breast gently before and during pumping to help with letdown and emptyings. Stay hydrated and eat well. Your body needs fuel to make milk. Don't compare output. Every mom's supply is different. Even every session can vary. And most importantly, listen to your body. This isn't just about feeding your baby. It's about learning to trust yourself. You're not just learning to use a machine. You're learning to honor your body. You're building a bridge between you and your baby. Even when you can't, be together. You're not just pumping. You are nurturing. You are providing. You are powerful. So go ahead, mama. Take that pump, plug it in, and own every drop. You've got this.